Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Law Simplified by Tiruthi, where I make law simple, relatable, and yes, sometimes even a little entertaining. So today's topic is one that will have you double checking your day-to-day habits because the topic is, can you get sued for this? So we are diving into everyday mistakes that could land you in legal hot water without even realizing it. So hit that like button and subscribe and let's get into it. So the first one is borrowing without permission. Let's say your friend leaves their bike at your place and you think, hey, they won't mind if I use it for a quick ride. Sounds harmless, right? Well, it's not really that easy. So, in legal terms, this could be considered as unauthorized use of property or even temporary theft, depending on the jurisdiction. And if something happens to the bike while you're using it, guess who's liable? Yes, you could be on the hook for damage. So, moral of the story, always ask first. The second is sharing Netflix password. So everybody has shared their Netflix password. We have all done it. But did you know this could technically violate copyright laws and the terms of service of streaming platform? While you're unlikely to get sued by Netflix themselves, it's still a breach of contract. And if it escalates, say you're selling access to your account, you could face legal action. Remember that guy in the US who got fined for selling shared login? Yes, it's real. So maybe think twice before giving out that password like it's some candy. Third is posting photos without permission. You ever uploaded a group photo without checking if everybody's okay with it? Well, surprise, this could land you in legal trouble, especially if the person didn't consent. In many countries, including India, people have a right to privacy. If someone's image is used without permission, especially in a commercial context, it could lead to a lawsuit for violation of privacy or even defamation if it paints them in a bad light. So, the solution for this is always ask before posting or be ready to take it down if they object. As simple as that. Fourth is leaving negative online review. So, leaving a bad review after a terrible meal. It is totally fair. But did you know that defamation laws apply online too? If your review contains false statement or exaggerated claims, the business can sue you for defamation. There was this famous case where a woman in France got sued for leaving a negative review that damaged the restaurant's reputation and she lost. So be honest, factual, and avoid personal attacks. Your review is your opinion, but the law protects people from false statement. Fifth is the using music in your YouTube or Instagram videos. Oh, this one's for my fellow content creators. Using copyrighted music in your YouTube or Insta video without permission can lead to copyright infringement claims. Even if you're using few seconds, the law still applies. Platform might mute your video or take it down entirely, but in worst case scenarios, you could face hefty fine. So use royalty free tracks or those provided by the platform library to stay on the safe side. So, how many of these have you accidentally done? Let me know in the comments below. And remember, the law is everywhere, even in our everyday life. Being aware helps you stay out of trouble and protect your right. So, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to share it with your friends because trust me, they need to know this too. So, until next time, this is Tiruthi from Law Simplified by Tiruthi, simplifying the law one day at a time. Bye and thank you.